I come from a country which is facing unprecedented floods due to historic rains in Pakistan, which we've never experienced before. We today are facing the devastation. 33 million people in Pakistan are displaced as I speak to you, which is the population of many countries in the world. And out of this, around 650,000 women are pregnant who are facing the challenge of maternal services. There are 4 million children suffering in Pakistan today. I myself come from a province which was hit by these floods, and my own district. So a month and a half I've spent looking at human suffering. I'm a member of the Federal Cabinet. We have 5 women federal ministers in the Federal Cabinet. I am also a Federal Minister for Poverty Alleviation and Social Safety. I take pride in Pakistan's most successful social protection program, which I head, which is called the Benazir Income Support Program, and we cover about 8 million families of Pakistan, which are poorest of the poor, and we are providing them targeted cash relief. There is also 2 other programs, which one pertains to nutrition, the other one is education. So we are trying to incentivize both nutrition and education through the Benazir Income Support Program.